I can hear him spitting.
I thought that you must have been spitting.
You hear him?
Yeah.
He's right here behind us.
Oh, jeez, stay right there.
Got him.
What?
Good.
Got him.
Oh, shit. Okay, he's gonna go down. He's gonna go down. He went down. He's down. He's down. You got him.
I got him with my bow.
Oh, my God. You got him. He's down. You got him. He's down.
Oh my God.
He's down. You got him good. You got him good.
I hit him in the right spot.
Oh, perfect. Perfect.
I think that one's gonna. He's also trying to. Can you get him?
I don't know. Run the camera.
I don't know what to do. Keep going. Alright, these are.
Oh, they're flogging the other one. Turn it over to there so you can see it. Oh, no, not that far. They're flogging the other one, the dead one.
Get that.
That's awesome.
Get that picture. I've never seen that.
They're flogging the other one. Hold on. They're flogging your dead one. They're trying to hump it. They're trying to hump it. They got these two big toms up there, but they won't come close. They got smart.
They did. Yeah, they walked away. Maybe these aren't so smart. Come on, yeah, stick
Straight
it
up.
out.
You whacked him. He's coming down the hill again.
Oh yeah, look, he's checking it out. They both are.
Oh, he's running.
Right.
I don't know if I can get a shot at him over there.
I got the camera, you should.
Hold on.
He's a good one. He's a nice guy.
Where did he go? Where'd that big one go?
He's over there. He's behind the tree. See him coming up to the tree.
No, the other big one.
He went that way.
He came running down the hill. Where'd he go?
One's right there. The other one I thought went that way.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, they're both right there.
Flogging the bejesus out of yours. I'm gonna wrap it up here in a minute. I don't need to get one. That was fucking awesome. You cracked. You got a ticket.
I'm so excited.
Tell her what you did. What the hell's the date today?
May 11th,
May 11th?
2015.
She just dropped one. She dropped him. What a shot.
Got taught from the best.
Where's the big one to go?
Right there. One across the street, one's on the edge. Hey, they're strutting over here, honey. You might be able to get one. These guys, they're left. They're out of here.
Hey, well, you just killed his brother.
Did you see him hang over there for a while? Like, what the heck? There's one that keeps strutting over there.
pecking the crap out of your turkey.
What?
They're friggin' eating them.
I don't know.
I don't want them ruining it. Fuck them. I don't want them to ruin that bird. That's a nice bird.
Okay. They've had their fun then.
Yeah.
Get him away so I can pick him. They'll be flogging us. Little jigs with their little beards.
Get out of there.
Try to gobble gobble.
Flogging the crap out of him. Hold on.
Now we gotta go check him out.
Let's go check him out. He laid the smack down. Huh? No. Yeah.
There's more of them.
Huh?
They're outnumbered.
That was awesome. I hope I got it on video. Hey, these birds won't leave them. I didn't want them to ruin them. Nice.
Did they do that? Twist the head?
They were pecking at the head. Well, you did a perfect shot.
I
Leah,
did.
right into the back. Good job. Mwah. Look at you.
I'm so excited.
Cracked
With
him
the bow.
with a bow. Don't get any better than that.
Pick him up by his feet.
What's he look like here? Oh, look at the big giant. He's got nice ones.
Does he? How long is
He's
his
a big
beard?
bird.
Is he?
Yeah. He's got a 9-10 inch beard.
Like that.
Huh?
Take a picture just like that.
All right, hold on.
Well, let's take a picture of it right there with the shot.
Oh.
It's a big deal.
Yeah,
Got something with the bow.
I guess it is. Take a picture of you with it.
Sure.
Put the tail feather up.
Can you see it?
Yeah. Look at that thing. That's fucking awesome. Wait till I send that to everybody. Oh, we're still videoing.
Oh, you are?
What's the date today?
May 11th.
May 11th.
2016.
Heather puts the smack down on a giant tom. The smack. She hit him. Couldn't hit him more. You hit him right through the hat.
Did I?
Oh yeah, that went right into the hat. At first I didn't think it was good enough penetration, but you went right into the hat. I killed him.
Look how good you taught me.
I killed him almost instantly.
Yeah, he didn't live that long. So I'm like, oh my god, he's gonna fly off my arrow.
This thing is giant.
It is? Are we gonna go check him in?
It's giant, yeah. He is, oh my god. He's gotta be, I don't know.
Is he bigger than my other ones?
Yeah.
He
I
is?
think he weighs more. All right, signing off.
All right. Woohoo!